Hey there language enthusiasts, welcome back to my vlog, where we unravel the mysteries and magic of languages together. Today, I'm super excited to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions in the comments. What's the easiest way to learn a new language? I've got you covered, so let's get started. First and foremost, learning a new language isn't necessarily about finding the easiest way, but rather about finding the best way that suits your learning style, time, and resources. There are countless methods out there, but we're going to talk about a 5-step strategy that works for many people. Step 1. Choose your language. If you are passionate about a certain culture or country, or if the language is relevant to your job or future aspirations, that's a great place to start. When you are motivated, learning becomes so much easier. Step 2. Get your resources right. Start with basic language learning books. Use online language learning platforms like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, or Babbel. If you can, consider getting a language tutor for more personalized learning. Step 3. Embrace technology. There are so many useful apps and websites out there. Use language exchange websites to communicate with native speakers. Use language learning apps. Watch movies or listen to music in your target language. Step 4. Practice daily. Regular practice is key when learning a new language. Even 15 to 30 minutes per day can make a huge difference. Use flashcards, write in a language journal, or try speaking with native speakers. And finally, Step 5. Be patient with yourself. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. In fact, it's part of the process. Celebrate your progress and remember why you started in the first place. That's all for today, language enthusiasts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring.